couple of rules, things not to do. We mentioned some of this. Don't mispronounce integer, which we do all the time because we're in Texas, but I often say integer, and there's no R there, it's integer. Don't attempt to assign a literal constant floating point number. Don't forget precedence rules, so make sure you're following the order of operations. Don't forget that the integer division results in an integer, so 5 divided by 2 is going to be 2, not 2.5. Don't attempt to assign a constable decimal value to an integer using leading parentheses. So don't use a single equal sign in a Boolean comparison for equality. And don't try to store a string of characters in a char value. Char is one character at a time. Don't forget that when a string and numeric value are concatenated, the resulting expression is a string. Y'all saw me model a program where I had a logic error because I concatenated a numerical value to a string and forgot to do order of operations. Don't forget to consume the entire enter key after numeric input using the scanner class when a next line method call follows. So basically add an extra next line if you're having like a next int and then a next line following that. Don't forget to use the appropriate import statement when using the scanner or JOption pane class. So make sure you're bringing in the right data type. Don't forget precedence rules. Don't forget that integer division results in an integer. Don't forget that floating point numbers are imprecise and can have interesting Boolean returns. And don't use a single equal sign in a Boolean comparison for equality. If I'm asking the question, does A equal 5, I'm going to use 2 equal signs. All right, we're going to stop here.